get it.
Where?
It's right there. Go get it. Go get it.
Yeah, I see it.
Go get it.
Throw that one. Harder. Up to the ceiling.
Okay.
Oh,
Down or up?
I'll get one. I don't know, just do the ceiling, then it'll bounce everywhere, maybe.
Ah. Don't hit me.
Yeah.
I'm getting tight all the way up there.
Okay, throw it already.
I only see
What if Lucy was in there?
and it did that.
I'm gonna throw it.
I want to throw yours then. What the?
Ah, see, I make it go down in the bathroom. Right there.
Oh, it landed on me.
Feet. There is no feet on hands.
Where's the other hand? Oh,
I have them both.
whoa. I want each one.
What is that you're throwing?
A hand. Whoa.
Yeah.
My mommy got it for me. Oh.